Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to change header font size on Squarespace. I'll be showing this on Squarespace 7.1, which is the default version. First, log into Squarespace and click on the website you want to edit. You'll see your website thumbnail or an Edit Site button on your dashboard. Once you click it, the site editor loads with your homepage or the last page you're reviewing. Next, pick a page that has the heading you want to change so you can see your adjustments in real time. Navigate to any page that contains header text. That's your H1, H2, H3, or H4 headings. The page content displays with editable sections. Just keep in mind that changing the font size for a heading type will apply to all text set as that heading type across your entire site. Now, click the paintbrush icon in the top right-hand corner of the page. This opens the Site Styles panel, which shows you options for fonts, colors, and other design settings. Once the panel is open, click the arrow next to Fonts to expand that section. You'll see the Fonts section expand, showing font pack options and global text styles categories. Under Global Text Styles, click on Headings. You'll also see options for paragraphs, buttons, or miscellaneous, but we want headings. When you click it, the heading customization options expand, and you'll see controls for H1, H2, H3, and H4 each with its own slider. Now, drag the size slider to increase or decrease your heading font size. You can also enter a specific pixel or rem value manually if you prefer. Each heading level has its own slider, and the text on your page updates in real time as you adjust it. It's good practice to set H1 as your largest heading, with each heading below it getting smaller incrementally, so H2 is smaller than H1, H3 is smaller than H2, and so on. Once you're happy with the size, click Save at the top left of the editor. Your changes are now applied across your entire site. After saving, make sure to preview your changes on both mobile and desktop to check how everything looks. The text scales automatically on Squarespace 7.1, but it's always worth checking. Also, if you need to adjust multiple heading levels, you can do them all in one session before hitting save. You don't need to save after each individual change. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.